Alright, welcome back, guys. Thanks for tuning in. So, Kevin Stewart, the new reggae boy, professional footballer who currently plays defensive midfield for Blackpool. He has previously played for Tottenham Hotspurs, Crewe Alexandra, Liverpool, Cheltenham Town, Burton Albion, Swindon Town, and Hull City. However, the new reggae boy has already begun building for life after football by moving into the world of property development. He's now 28 years old and has completed his first project with a construction partner of a 48-flat student apartment block in the Birmingham city centre. The project, led by Stewart and a business partner, was said to be on course to generate a profit of £1.8 million last year, following an initial investment of around £300,000. However, in December of 2021, on a Property Pulse podcast on YouTube, it was revealed that Stewart's property investment now is valued about £6.2 million. The former Liverpool player insists he's not interested in selling up and making a quick buck, as he sees this as a long-term venture to ensure his financial stability. Long after his playing career has come to an end, the midfielder, Stewart, said, "The stats are scary. As a pro player, it is massively important to prepare for life after football. There are many ways to make money, but I think property is the best vehicle for building wealth." Alright? Guys, thanks for watching, okay? And remember, like the videos, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, become part of the family, and stay informed on the happenings in the Jamaican sports arena. Thanks for watching, guys.